Hello everyone. So in the last lecture, I explained you about how to create this home page. And in today's lecture, we are going to discuss how to create this register page. So right now, if I click on this register, you can see it is completely blank because I do not create anything over here. If I want to create this register page, we need to do some coding for this one. So in last class, we have seen what type of coding we want and all. So same thing we are going to discuss in today's class. So let me go to my project. I'm going to continue in my last project only. My project name was what? Institute MAN. This was my project name. And there we completed a home page. Okay. So in this one, already we created the header and home page. So let us continue. Right click on your folder. Take a new file. And you should take which file? JSP file. And JSP file name should be register.jsp. Click and your registration page will get created. Okay. So in my last registration, then if you want to see that registration page, let me open that once to show you what are the fields were there and all. So this was my project where my home page was there. I'm opening the old project, don't get confused. Finish. This is already be created, which I explained in the first layer. If I click on register, okay, we need to log in here to see the registration page. So this page we need to create today. The same page today I will show you how to create. Okay. So I'm just keeping this open. This is our page where registration page to be created. And this is the page which is already there created. Let us go to the layout now. See, I created, I'm closing this coding because completely new coding I'm going to write here. This page I created register.jsp. In that one, we need to create one by one concept. Sir, I want to create that header. So if you want to create the header, do you need to write the header coding? Again, answer is no. Already you wrote the header. How to call that header here? You will write JSP column include. JSP column include. Include. What you want to include here? You want to include page. Which page you want? I want header.jsp and close this include tag. Are we getting the same include page in our program or not? Refresh it and go to register and see we got the header. See, I do not write anything. Whatever I wrote in the last part 1, that header only I am using because header already created in my program. This I am closing not to get confused. This is my header code. Okay. So this header code only I am using in register page. Okay, fine. Let us go with the continuation. Next, we need to create what form tag, but that form tag we need to create what separately. So let us create here a div tag, and I will give div tag name as div1. Guys, I'm keeping the same headings which I gave you the code. I think morning batch already I shared, evening batch 6 p.m. student. Whatever the names I'm writing as per our code. So don't get confused. You can copy paste and you can reuse that code in your project. Okay. Let us take the form tag inside that. I'm taking form tag. Action is equal to where you want to divert this page. That page diversion we will do it later. Let us keep right now just hack here. Okay. In the form, I will create first label. Label I will take as name. Then I will create the input tag. I will create input tag. Type is equals to, I'm taking text. Name is equals to, I'm taking name. Placeholder, I'm taking enter the name. Okay. So these are the things which we will require here. So this is for the name. Second one for the mobile number. So what I can do is I can copy and paste the same thing. Otherwise, we can create separately. No worries. Let us create one more label. Quickly, I will write label as mobile. Text input type is equals to mobile. Name is equals to mobile. Mobile placeholder is equals to enter the mobile. I created this. Then we are creating next. Sorry, instead of mobile, we should write here number. Sorry for this. Next. Third, we want to select the code. For select the code, label we will create. Label is what? Codes. Which codes we want to select? And then we will take the select type. Select. In the select, I will take as name as codes. Option. Okay, in option we will write a value, whatever the value we want, because this value will be read in the bracket and this is to show in the front. Close the option. Like this, how many columns we want? Sorry, how many options we want? That many we can do. C, C++, Java, and we'll take it one more Python. Python. Okay. So this is about what? Select. After that, what is the last we are having? After that, we are having the in the register page, we are having, I think, T fees. Let me just cross check. Come here. Total fees, paid fees, at trainer name. So let us create here total fees. I will do one thing. I will copy paste because we don't have much time. I will come here. Time we will save it here. Total fees, nothing but T fees I give here. This will be the number. Name as T fees. Enter the fees. After the total fees, paid fees, and trainer name. Here I will write paid fees, T fees. Enter the paid fees. Enter the paid fees. And next we are going to give here is paid fees is done. Trainer name we need one more. So I will copy paste this name and here I will change it to text. So click and here you give trainer name. Team trainer name. In backend I will take it as key name. This is for backend purpose. Enter the trainer name. Okay. So if I refresh and run the program, how it is looking like. Go to your, this is your page, guys. Refresh it. See how it is looking, very odd. But we need to give the look and feel what we want in the what is there in this one. The same kind of stuff I will be required here. So how can I do this complete designing? Let us understand one by one. Okay. Do your code. Type here what? Style. Style I will type. In style, first I will take the because the division is there, division one that we have to design first. I will take background color, whatever the background color do you want. Background, what color we want in the background, so that color we can print here. Background color we are taking white. So background white is nothing but this, whatever the box is coming, that box color is white. What is the width you want of this box? This width I want 30%. This width I want over 30%. Okay, refresh the page and check it once. Oh, sorry, not this one. This we have. Sir, my box is coming and 30% also coming. Because white color you are not able to see. I will do one thing here. One thing I will add it to show you practical this background. Sorry, body. And here I will write background. Background color I will give it orange. We can take different color, but just for okay, orange it is not taking. Let me just take some other color. Background I will take as sorry, it will take it taken here. Spelling what fine. So see, my 30% box is coming. So compared to this one and this one, it is very fine. But why it is not coming? Because we need to write the code. But body we got, that box we got. This box I want in the center. So here what I will write? I will write margin and auto means whatever from left and right is there, balance it. Right now, see, from here to here, complete is there. So half you divide left and half you divide right. That is for margin. You got it. Padding means what? This content is coming exactly to attach with your box. I want the space for that. So I'll write there padding 10 pixels. Padding 10 pixels means you will get the space in your box. Okay, fine. Now rest of the code we will write one by one code. So that code is nothing but what? First we have to write the code for your input tag. So let us see how can we write that input code. So let me come down. Let me come down and write the code. Anywhere you can write, not a problem. So I'm writing here input. First type is equals to I'm taking. First I'm taking type is equals to. What are the types you are having? Bottom two answer text. And second we are having input type is equals to number. So these are the two types we are having. And one more select, because select also will be considered here. So total how many types are there, guys? Three types we are having. So how much width do we want? I'm taking 100%. So what is the meaning of this? This box is there. What is the width you want? I'm taking 100% width. Refresh it. See, automatically this box length is coming 100%. We'll do everything step by step, guys. Don't worry about that. So I took the width 100% there of box. So that box is very small now. This box is very thin. Can I make it little big? So for that I will write here padding 7 pixel, top and bottom 7 pixel, right and left will be 10 pixel. Now see that box will be incremented. Okay, that box is going little outside the box. So I will write there display inline display inline block. So one second, what mistake we have done here? Display inline, sorry. Inline block. So here might be because we have taken here 100%, and this padding and margin is going little beyond this one. So what I will do here is left and right, I will remove the extra padding. I will make it 0. Extra top and bottom only I will consider. Okay, perfect. Sir, why I will tell you? Sir, I am taking what 10% extra. Already this I know 100%. 10% extra means 10 and 10, 20 is coming. That right and left is getting incrementing. That's why I am taking as 0. Now we'll check it margin. Outside box I want little space in the outside. So I will write margin around 5 pixel, 0 pixel. Again, this is also only top and bottom. I am implementing the space here. Okay, perfectly fine. Our structure is coming on the properly. Now, sir, what I want here, border I want written properly. So I will take here border 1 pixel solid and color I want blue. So right now this black border is there. I want that border as blue. Okay, if you want black, you can keep black. Don't give the color. It is your color. Okay, however you want. Now, second, this box are looking sharp, square corners. I want that little radius concept. So I will take border hyphen radius 5 pixel. 5 pixel is what? Corner will be little sharper. See, corner got sharp. So up to here, we got completed this. Okay. Next is what? Sir, we need to create submit button. Actually, submit button I do not create. Let me create the submit button also. Create one more submit button. Type is equals to submit. Name we don't want for this one. Placeholder we don't want. Value we will be taking. Value is equals to sub. Okay. So now if I run this code, observe very carefully. Submit is coming like this. So you will say, I want to make little this submit button properly. How can I make it very simple? First, we'll take the same what we have taken here. Input. For every type we need to separately we have to write input type is equals to submit. And one more thing, sir, if you feel that you want the same like this three, you can take here also. I will show you both the options, guys. I will take input type is equals to submit. If you feel that you want the same, you can feel like this one. What I miss here? Something I miss. Let me write otherwise separately because all the coding has done. Again, we'll get confused. I'm writing one more separately. Input type is equals to submit. Type is equals to what? Submit. In that submit, what we'll do is I will write the one by one code. First, I will take the width. How much width I want? I'm taking 30%. See, that box's width I have taken 100. Here I'm taking 30% because I don't want full that things. Okay, small I want. I'm taking background color. What is the background color of the submit button you want? I want the green. So I'm taking green. And what is the text color you want on the green? White would be better. So I'm taking white. So see, submit button is coming like this. This button inside space I want little. So I will take padding. All coming I want 5 pixel. So button 5 pixel inside space will be incremented. And I want this little in the center. So I will write here text. Okay, text align will not work. So I will write margin left 40 pixels. Okay, and little space you want, suppose in the exactly center I will take it 100. And a very important thing is margin top. Margin top I will take it 20 pixels. So it will come little down. Okay, so it is coming like this. So whatever we have designed in our program, what is different? Let us understand more things here. Okay, so one more thing here, student registration is there on the top, but here student registration is not coming that properly. So let us go with that concept also. And one more thing, this labels, okay, it is on left hand side. That is not a problem with the labels. So only what is the thing, this title we require. So let us go to my program and here title we should add it. So let us create the title before my div tag h3 and right here. Sorry, my title should be created inside the body before your after your header. H3, and I'm writing student registration. Okay, and I will write the logic here for this one. S3 I will take it. Text color I want green. So text color I want white, and text aligned I want center. Okay, and margin I will take it 10 pixel top and bottom, and 0 pixel left and right. Compare this page and this page. Both are looking fine. Now you will say, sir, here corners are coming and here little shape is coming. So again, you can do your div tag is that you can make the little border radius for that. Border radius 10. See, I'm not writing much complicated code just to get you clear picture. Everybody clear with this? So like this, we can create our register page. Okay, so when I click on register, my registration is up. Second, we need to create which page, guys? We need to create this. I'm clicking on my actual website inquiry page. We need to create it. But in this inquiry, what I am doing, I'm giving this into the two parts. One part I'm having what? This inquiry form, and second form I'm having this information. So here we need to add what little JSP code will come into the picture. But in the initial stage, what I will do, I will not print this data. I will not print this data. I will keep only inquiry form on my page. But I will keep only inquiry form. So now no need to write any much code. Let us observe how we can do it here. Take one more file. Right click, new, take JSP. I will take inquiry dot JSP. See, what is the easy thing I am going to do it? In the inquiry dot JSP page, I will go to the register page. Complete code you copy and paste it. You don't do anything. What you do? Copy and paste the complete code into the replace with your inquiry.jsp. Observe the difference. Here, name, mobile number, course, and fees is there. But here we have taken how many things? Name, mobile, course, and so many things are there. So last two field you remove, and T fees you make it as fees. Go to your program. I don't want what? Last two fields. I don't want. Because in registration only this different, and here you just change it as fees. Save the program. That's it. Close this. My actually I'm closing. Refresh it. Now click on inquiry. Just instead of student registration, change to what? Inquiry. Inquiry. Save. Refresh it. Student inquiry. Now in the third part, I will tell you how to display. Now in the next part, what I'm going to start? I'm going to start slowly with the connectivity part of that. Okay. So I hope everyone is very clear with this, whatever the concept I explaining. Okay. So to continue the part, please subscribe the channel. You will get the more details. Thank you, guys.